Respected HODs, staff teaching and non-teaching, and my dear students from outside colleges, and my dear students of SMK Fomra, the student presidents of today's symposium, the mechanical president and the electrical president, student presidents. A very good morning to one and all present here. So it's again a happy moment to see all the students. I know the symposium is a technical event where you can exchange your technical ideas, and all of you have come forward for that. And when we talk about the mechanical engineering, it's a very, very broadest disciplines ever. Because that's a true fact, because every other discipline, when they start researching and designing something, finally they have to come to you for manufacture, isn't it? So manufacturing is one thing which is possible only by a mechanical engineer, and you have tremendous opportunities in manufacturing engineering. There are more than 2 lakh opportunities available all over India, provided you focus properly in the area what is in demand. So I don't know how many of you have come with the latest technologies, because the symposiums generally are conducted on future trends in your discipline. So whatever you study in your syllabus may be helping you to score well, gaining good basics. So that's it. With the syllabus you can expect only good basics. So how we are going to survive in the world, whether you are going to work under someone or you're going to be an entrepreneur, it all depends upon using this basics, how we are going to explore the need of the society, the need of the industry, etc. So for which we have such symposiums where everybody will be discussing about the latest trends, because each and every one of you will be having an experimentation, doing a research on what is going on in the world, current trends, and how the problems are being solved with your disciplines. So this is what every one of you have to focus. Use your basics, ideas, and find a solution for all these problems. So this is what is going to give you a good opportunity in future and make you a good engineer. And coming to electrical engineers, there is no power without electrical engineering. So it's a power branch, energy branch, and people have to understand what sort of power can be generated. This is what people have to find solutions for generating power. So you have lot of things available. You have wind energy, you have solar energy, you have light energy. Everything is freely available, and from which you need to generate power. And solar is something which is booming now, and you need to explore yourself the different opportunities using your solar power. And beyond all these things, okay, fine, we have all the trainings done in the college. We have everything. We have the syllabus being completed by in time by professors. You gain very good knowledge, fine. How are you going to use this in your future? It is something relating to a mountain story. 2 people are there, and they wish to climb a mountain. And they have everything, the equipments required for mountain climbing. But do you think the mountain climbing equipments and a teamwork and the atmosphere is sufficient enough to climb the mountain and reach the top? Do you think that is enough? So what is the prime thing that is required there? The mountain itself, isn't it? You may have so many other things like what you have in your college. You have your best college, and you have all the syllabus being completed by the professors. You have everything hands-on experience. You have training. You have all facilities. Your parents are giving you all sorts of facilities. But if you don't have a goal, you cannot reach anything. So you cannot blame the training, or you cannot blame the college, or you cannot blame your parents for anything for not achieving. It's the mountain which you need to develop, and you need to fix up a goal and work towards the goal. That will only reach you to success. So this is one thing which you have to keep in your mind. If you have a goal, the trainings will look interesting, the teachers will look like God, and the books will be giving you a lot of knowledge, lot of energy, and you will not even waste a single minute to learn more and more. Actually today morning, within the short period of me starting from college, I just met my friend. One of my friend, which I can name him as a friend in need, is a friend indeed. Whenever there is a need, there will be Dharnidharan actually. So he came, and we were discussing about a PhD work, which one of his cousin is doing in MIT. So that was just like that. I asked, like, what is he doing? He said he's doing a research work in automobile engineering. I immediately got an inquisitive thing, like I should know like what is the project about. So he was talking about like in the paper mills or in the sugarcane factory or something, you'll be having 2 rollers, and you know the rolling takes place, and after some time there will be wear and tear in the rollers. So how to eliminate that? Because every time you change the roller, it costs about 1 lakh. So that is the cost. So as an engineer, you need to think about how you can eliminate this particular problem. Every design engineer, every engineer has to think about the cost effectiveness. So this is the first and foremost for a successful engineer. Even when we go and buy a mobile or anything, like, we look for a cost-free but efficient. So this is what everybody will look forward. So he was telling me about the concept of using a polyurethane, which will not melt with heat. That is the material which is going to coat to the roller, so that even if it gets wear and tear, it can be replaced, which will cost him only 10,000 rupees. So this is one thing I learned. Though I am not a mechanical engineer, it was an interesting thing which I enhanced my knowledge, and I was able to know what is happening around and how the solutions are being made. So this is how you have to utilize each and every opportunity, whatever you're getting, to know about the latest trends and how people are working on it and what are the solutions that have been given for your disciplines. This is very, very essential, which will help you for long run. And more than all these things, you need to have a peaceful life to reach all the goals, whatever you've been setting. So I would like to close up with a message. Neither you can hug yourself, neither you can keep your shoulder on your own, head on your own shoulder. So you need to live with everybody. So understand the people who care for you. Have a good human relation, because this is one thing which will help you to achieve your goals. So relationship cannot be measured with the value of money. There will be certain investments without profit, but it will make you rich. So all the very best. God bless you all.